keep those hands up for tonight. Just fall in love.